ang block screening commitment natin?
Oo, umayos kami.
Hello, Inay! Ako po si Jewel from Bataan. Una po sa lahat, congratulations po sa iyo, Inay. At kami ay sobrang excited at saya na our Diamond Star is shining bright again with the silver screen sa Star Cinema. And sure na sure kami na ang meet, greet, and buy ay magpapaiyak sa amin. At magpapasaya, siguro. Pero, ganun pa man, we are all excited to witness your incredible drama magic. Yung trademark mo ba, Inay? Yun. At we're so proud of you, Mama Baby. And lagi kaming nandito to support you all the way. Mahal na mahal ka namin, Inay. Kami ng Forever. Nay, may question po. Magkano daw po ba yung lechon ni Mama Baby?
Hindi, parang sa inyo libre.
Thank you so much, Jewel, from Forever Friends. Of course, Inay. Ngayon naman, we have someone from Belle's fan base. Okay. Uy, kamusta?
I'm good. How are you? So I'm just gonna read my message because I'm nervous. Hello again. I'm here.
Australia.
Congratulations on this significant milestone of yours, Belle. I'm back home again, and I wouldn't miss the chance to support you on this big and new adventures of yours with pride, love, and support in my heart. Alam kong as always, papayakin mo kami on this movie of yours, and as expected, you will be amazing on this one. And you've passionately worked hard on this as you always do. I am proud and I will always be proud of you. And ayun nga, I'm gonna be, sorry, hindi ako present sa block screening, but ako bahala sa Australia.
Australia. Kita-kita tayo dyan. So, di ba? May may block screening sa Australia. Yun kayo ba? Magpapatalo ba ang Team JK?
Hello, JK!
Hi, hello.
Ang laki ng impact mo sa buhay ko. Na-discover kita 2023 dahil sa ere.
Talaga yung ere pa.
Kaya unang punta ko sa Santa Rosa, Laguna.
Oo, yun.
Sa bahay namin, ako...
Ikaw yung malakas sa sigaw dun sa crowd, sa chorus part. Oo, bakit ikaw? Tapos narinig ko si Inay. Ito sa camera. Naka-live po yan sa Europe.
Hi Josh, sayang wala ka dito, but it was so nice to finally meet your family. Ayan. And Josh, gusto ko lang sabihin sa'yo na congrats and madami kang napapasaya at napapakilig na tao. And expect mo na nandito kami palagi para sa'yo ng tropang Joshua. Mahal ka namin.
Yes!
And sa inyo po, congrats po. It was so nice to meet you po.
Dahil dyan ate, ilan yung pang-block screening mo?
I'm not sure po. Tatlo po.
Tatlo! From Tropang Joshua, thank you so much. Okay, so first we heard commitment from Team Belle, Australia. Tapos ito from Tropang Joshua, tatlo. Team JK, Forever Friends, and Solid Papa P. Ilan po yung sa inyo? Secret yung kay Solid Papa P.
In fairness sa Solid, basta accessible yung block.
Hindi ko lang to talagang mararamdaman din yun. Opening pa lang. Ganung level siya.
Yes.
Oo. Di ba nagsisimula yung pelikula, mararamdaman mo na siya.
Oo, napipil ko na nga JK.
Ngayon pa nga lang na-feel ko na siya. Pero it was really a fun set and medyo nakakalubog na kasi wala na kaming taping base. Group
Pero meron
chat.
Ngayon ako nag-group chat nakakatawa ako, di ba? Ngayon ko lang natutunan yung group chat dahil ko sa mga anak ko. Tulungan nila ako. Doon pa ako eh.
Yes, Inday.
Dude, ang laki.
Okay, so, yes, ano daw? Sali daw sa group chat?
Sige, tara.
Yes, i-add ka daw mamaya. Pero of course, we actually released the trailer and the teaser alongside Belle and Inay. Last October 4, we were able to officially release it. So I want to know, anong mga nafe-feel nyo sa mga theories na nakikita nyo online about it? Okay, Papa P, okay, we have here, let's see some comments about theories dito about MGB. Okay, meron dito about Papa P. Okay, what if, what if because of her illness, she imagines or hallucinates that her late child, Piolo, is so odd na? Kasi the poster makes it so obvious that P's character bears some sort of death, whether siya yung nawawala or mawawala. Okay, I have to know, Piolo, what do you think about this?